Don't forget to like and subscribe to Jolie Knots Crochet. Share with your friends. Hit that little notification bell so you can get notified when new patterns release. All our videos are available in left and right-handed tutorials.
Okay, so working a reverse single crochet, you're going to see it just like this. And instead of working forward, we actually work backwards. All right, so what you're going to do is go into the stitch previous. Instead of ahead, we're working backwards. You're not turning your work, we're just going back, placing your hook into the stitch, pulling up a loop, and finishing your single crochet. Working into the stitch behind, pull up a loop, and finish your single crochet. Super simple, easy way to do it. I'm working mine on the border of this hobo bag, star-shaped hobo bag. This will be coming out tomorrow for release, but I wanted to show you guys the reverse single crochet. Going into the stitch behind your previous stitch, pulling up a loop, and then pulling through both. And that's it. Really simple, just like that. This stitch is typically used as a border stitch. You cannot stitch into these, well, in any way that I can see would be easiest. So it's typically a border stitch. So just like that, you're just going to keep on going into the stitch behind and single crocheting. And that is how you work a reverse single crochet. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching Jolie Knots Crochet. Check out the playlist for tips and tricks, stitch tutorials, or anything else that you're interested in. You can join the Jolie Knots Crochet community on Facebook. You can also find me on Instagram and Facebook under Jolie Knots Crochet. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.